Okay guys, I'm here at tutoring and we're going to focus on 26. Dylan said he's got this. Alright Dylan, here's 26. How do we get rid of the 8 and 4?
You have to divide it.
Let's see, hold on, let me get my little hand in here. So we want to get rid of the 8 and the 4s. So what can we multiply by to get rid of all these numbers?
8.
8. Why 8?
Because it goes into 8 and 4.
It does. 8. Wait. 4 and 8 go into 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here, the idea here is you're going to multiply 8 times 3, which is 24, and 24 divided by 8 is
3y.
3y. Okay? Or you could have just canceled out the 8s, and what you're left is 3y. Okay? Easier that way. Then you still have to multiply 8 into 1/4. So it's basically 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 divided by 4 is, what is it? 2. But it's a negative 2x. Okay, so let's put a negative 2x there. And then we bring the same inequality. Then we have 8 times 3 is what?
8 times 3, 24.
24. 24 divided by 4?
6.
6. Or you could, the 4 into 8 is 2, and 2 times 3 is also 6. Cool. Alright, so we want the y by itself, and positive. So who should leave here, Dylan? The 2x, or the 6, or the 3? Who should leave from here?
The 2x should leave.
Yeah, they're negative here, where are they going to be on this side?
Positive.
Okay, so we're able to use some tricks to just do it that way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we got to get rid of the 3, so how are we going to do that? We're going to divide it by?
We're going to divide by 3.
Divide this by 3, divide this by 3. So we're going to get y is less than, should we change that to 0.66?
No.
Why not?
Because the slope, it's rise over run, so just
Should leave it like?
a fraction.
Leave it a fraction. And what about this one? Should we change that into 2? Or should we leave it as a fraction? 6 divided by 3.
Change it to 2.
Yeah, because that's your
Answer.
intercept, right?
Yeah, the y-intercept.
So y-intercept is 2. Right there. That's this guy right here. And from that point, from this point, where are we going to go? Up 2 and over what?
Up 3.
Up 2.
Wait, no, up 2 over 3.
Over 3. So right here. If I wanted to go backwards, what would I do? Go down 2 and what?
Go down 2 and
Down.
then
And then
over 3.
Over 3 the opposite way. Alright, Mr. Dillon, shaded or dashed line? Oh wait, solid or dashed?
It is going to be dashed.
Dashed. Why is it dashed?
Because there's not an equal sign.
Yep, it means the points on the line are not included. It's just the fence. Now, read this in English. Give me 3 words for this. Read that. Y is what?
Y is less than 3.
That's all we need to know.
2/3.
Yeah, but we just need to know y is less. That's all we care about, right?
Yes.
For the shading, and that would be on the less area. Piece of cake. Okay? Alright guys, so there is your help from Dylan for number 26. We're going to pause here while you do some other ones, and we'll come back for a different one. Alright, we're back here. We're going to do 28. Alright, Dylan, read that one. 28. Sophia?
Sophia has $2 to buy oranges and apples. Oranges cost 45 cents each, and apples cost 25 cents each. The inequality 0.45x plus 0.25y is less than 2
Or equal,
represents
yeah.
the possible ways Sophia could spend her $2. Is the ordered pair 2, 3 a solution for the problem situation?
Okay. Well, you know what we could do? What are the X's? The apples or oranges?
The X's are apples. I think.
Apples, right? Oranges
No, the
cost.
oranges are X.
Yeah, because oranges cost 45 cents.
Yeah.
So that would be the right. So all right. So let's plug in 2 for that. So if she bought 2 oranges, how much did she spend?
She bought 2 oranges. She is spending,
So it's double of 45 cents.
90.
She had 90 cents, right? And if she bought 3 apples, how much are apples?
Apples are 25 cents.
So what's 25 times 3?
75 cents.
Okay, is 90 cents plus 75 cents less than $2 without even doing it in your head? Without even using a calculator?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, because this one is less than $1 and this is less than $1. So 2 things that are less than $1 will equal some, right? Do you agree with that?
so it is. Yeah, it's a.
So it is a
solution.
solution. So yup, she's got enough money.
And do we have to?
Do you have to graph it? I wonder.
I think we do
Well,
because this one did it.
yeah. It doesn't say graph it, but let's graph it. All right. So let's do our equation down here. So 45 cents, and I like to say 45 cents instead of 0.45. Right?
So we have to now rearrange the formula.
Yeah, we got to rearrange it. We want y by itself
So-
and okay. All right. So what are we gonna do? Move the x.
Yeah. Well, let's get rid of the y's first.
Well, the y's here. Oh, you want to divide by 25?
0.25.
Okay. Yeah. Usually I like to do it at the end, but if you want to do it first, let's do it. Why not? So divided by what?
0.25.
Okay. So this cancels out.
Yeah. That stays.
Yeah. Can we simplify that? What number? They're both ending in 5.
But one's a decimal.
Yeah. But what is?
Wait, no, they're both.
Yeah. Oops. Let's see if that cancels that. What? They're decimals, but it's okay. They both end in 5. So what divides into both of them?
5.
5. So what's 45 cents divided by 5?
9.
9. So it's 9 cents. Do you agree with that?
Mhm.
And what's 25 cents divided by 5?
5.
5
So
cents.
it's 5 cents.
Okay. And then plus y. So $2 divided by 0.25.
It's 0.8 cents. Is 8
8
cents.
It's 8. Is it 8 or 0.8?
It's 0.88.
I think it's
Well, here.
let's see.
Okay, so.
I think it's how many quarters are in $2? Let's see.
0.8. Wait.
No, it's actually 0.25. It's 2 divided by 0.25.
2 divided by.
Oh, wait, you put 2.5. So 2 divided by 25 cents.
Yeah.
Boom, it is 8.
8, yeah.
So it's like 8 quarters. Look, this one says how many quarters are in $2.
8.
Let's see what it says. Okay, so cool. And now we know our intercept. So all we really got to do now is bring this guy to this side and make it what?
A negative.
Negative. So be y is less than or equal to 8 minus 0.09. Yeah, the slope. I don't like that slope.
I don't like that it's a decimal.
Yeah.
We
Okay, I think we can get rid of something. Watch this. I'm going to show you something on the side. We're going to multiply by fancy 1. Do you agree that if you multiply anything by 1, it's still the same number?
it won't be a decimal anymore, I think.
Well, just think of any number multiplied by 1. Will it still be the same number? Like 5 times 1 is
5, yes.
4 times 1 is
Yeah.
4. Okay. Do you also agree that any number divided by the same number is also 1? Like
yeah.
5 divided by 5 is
1, yes.
3 divided by 3 is.
Yeah.
So cool. What's this? This is called a sumo 1. I made that up. A big sumo wrestler. That's a 1, right? We're going to multiply it times 1. But it's not going to be a regular 1. It's going to be a really cool 1.
And
Do you agree that 100 divided by 100 is 1?
100, yeah.
Yep. And do you agree that this number times 1 is also the same number?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's 100 times 9? 9 cents.
9 cents. It will be 90. 90.
90?
Well-
90 what? 90 cents, right?
Yeah.
So it's 90? So this would be 90. And what
it
is?
0.90?
No, it's 100 times 0.09.
Oh yeah,
It was 100 times 0.05.
it's 50.
50. Look, so you agree that the value of this number times 1, it's the same number, right? Anything times 1, it's what? The same thing, right?
But it's gonna go really high. Right?
Yeah, but look, it's got 2 zeros. So can we divide this by 10 each? So what
Yeah.
happens when you divide by 10?
It cancels out the zero.
So the slope is really what?
9/5.
9/5 x. Cool. Now we got something to work with. So, where is our first point?
Our first point is the y-intercept,
Which
which
is?
it is 2.
Is it 2?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see my. Here's. Look at this right
Wait,
here.
no, it's 0.8, I think.
Is it pointing? I thought we decided it was
Oh
8.
yeah, 8.
8. Okay, so it's actually 8. A solid 8. And what's the slope?
The slope is 9/5.
Yep. Down or up?
Down.
Down 9/5. So I'm gonna go down. Instead of counting every single one, from here to 0 is 8. So how many more do I need to go?
Just -1.
Just 1, and then go for over 5. So instead of counting every single little, there we go. There's our slope, and bada bing, bada boom.
And because it's
Oh, is it less than? It is. Yeah.
yeah, so it's going to be
Okay.
on the less.
Right.
Mr. Canones.
Hi, Veronica. You're welcome. Good luck. Okay. So, read this in English. Only one here's 3 words coming out of your mouth. What is it?
Y is less than
Oh,
8,
that's all we need, right? Y is less
so it's on the bottom.
on the bottom. Except that since this is buying oranges, the shading area is only actually. Let me zoom in here. I don't think this is really shading, because it's not going to be the negative side. It's only going to be what? Actual what?
Dots.
Dots. You cannot buy half an orange. Would you want to buy half an orange?
So you don't really have to do anything but the dots.
Yeah, because, and guess what? You can't have negative oranges,
Yeah.
right?
So it's just that level.
So it's just this little triangle area here.
So I wonder if why they did this.
Because, I don't know, it's probably a computer. They didn't think about it, right?
Yeah.
Right? But if you think about it, you cannot buy half of an apple or half an orange. But you could buy 2 apples and 0. What do we sell? Apples and oranges? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? You can buy 2 of these and none of that, or 3 of them, none of that. So all of these are combinations of possibilities.
Yeah,
And-
because you can't go over here because it's
You can't.
negative.
It's negative. Yeah, you can't go over here, and you can't here, and you can't go here. So in reality, all you can do is stick in the positive side. In the real world, we're mostly focused on this quadrant.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Good job. All right, guys. I'm here with Sean, and he's working on 32. And Sean's girlfriend Olivia is making him some muffins, right? Okay. And scones. What do you like better, muffins or scones?
Probably muffins.
Muffins. I like scones. Scones are like the tops of muffins, but the whole thing. And how much are muffins?
They are 50 cents.
50 cents. And scones are
80 cents.
80 cents. She wants to raise how much? At
It's
least.
$20.
So can she raise
greater.
$21?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your equation that you wrote down? Well, actually, they already have it for you, don't they?
Yeah.
All right.
You just plug.
So what is the question? What are they asking for?
They're asking,
Is the order?
can she reach her goal?
Okay. Well, read the question right here.
Is the ordered pair 20, 32 a solution for the problem situation?
Okay. So this is kind of Mathanese. Nobody speaks this way, right? Hey, is the ordered pair 20, 32 a solution? Well, what is she really asking? What is the real question here?
Is the
Can she
sell
sell
20
20
muffins and 32 scones
and make what?
and make more than
$30?
$20?
That's what the real question is, right? All right. So let's do it.
So
So
you would plug
if the muffins
You
are
do that.
50 cents and you sell 20, how much is that?
That is $10.
$10.
What is
Okay,
it, 7?
and then if
And
they're
then-
80 cents for scones,
And
how
you
much?
sell 32, it would be $25.06.
Oh man,
They've been
I
doing
think
this whole
I think
thing
I don't
by
even need
yourself.
to go further, right?
Yeah, you
'Cause look at
already
this.
passed it.
This is past it right there.
Yeah, it's
Where'd you
36.
get-
Yes, so this
Oh, you're plugging
36.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
then
10 and 25.
okay, 20 and 25. Wait, 20 and 25 is 36.
Yeah, 10 and 25.6.
Oh, 0.6. Okay, so it's almost 36, right?
Yeah.
So it's 35.6. Is bigger than. I think I missed up on this one. It actually is bigger than
20.
$20. All right. So they want us to graph.
2 times 35.
Okay. It doesn't actually say that though, does it? Huh?
Yeah, it doesn't.
I wonder why the graph's
About
there.
72.
Yeah. All right. Let's graph it just for fun.
Subtractor.
Okay. Nacho Libre quote, just for fun. All right. So let's start the equation.
You would do the regular equation.
The regulation?
Times
Point.
I'm gonna just put 0.5x because that's the same
Oh.
thing.
Like two,
Seventy.
like
You
70
agree with
that?
also.
Yes.
0.8y.
Sorry. I thought you said it is at 72.
Cool.
And I said, is it 72? Like, maybe
And then
like
you would
that.
just
No,
subtract.
it's 70.
Yeah, let's move the 0.5x to where? The other
20.
side? And what does it become on the other side?
Becomes point. Oh.
Does it
It's
become negative or stay positive?
negative.
Negative. So I just do it without having to do it. I just move it over and make sure that it turned into what?
Negative.
Negative. Just gotta be, that's the most crucial part. And then I'm gonna divide everything by what?
0.8.
0.8.
And then
And
it's
then
Okay.
from 0.
Cancel that out. So then y is, now do you want to
Is this 7?
change
Is it negative 7?
this into decimals or do you wanna keep it in a fraction?
probably fraction.
Yeah, because this is your what?
This is
What the number in front of the x is what?
the muffin.
Yeah, well, let's see, is it the slope or is it the y-intercept?
It's the y
Well,
slope,
it's about
right?
The
to
slope, yeah,
Like
the slope is in front of the, yeah, so we wanna keep that as a
Just
fraction.
wanna make
But I don't like the decimal, so how about we multiply this by 10 and becomes what?
50.
Yeah, it was
Fif-
0.5, so it'd be
Yeah, 50 cents.
50 cents. So if you had 50 cents and you had 10 of those, you'd have how much?
5.
5. And if you have 80 cents and you have 10 of those, you'd have
80.
8. So
And
look,
then that'll be
it's
8.
actually, yeah. And don't forget it's what?
Negative.
Negative. Now you have a nicer slope. And then
Can I
what,
just
now
write
this one you
2y
want
or
to divide it.
Yeah.
Go ahead and
it's,
do that in your calculator. 20 divided by 0.8.
It would be 2 and 4. 2, 7, 8, 16.
So 8 into 20 is 2, that's for sure, right?
Is that
Why don't you
right?
use your calculator, because this one has decimals, it kind of throws me off a little bit. It might be 20 something.
2
Oh, 2.5. What? Did not know that. Cool. So now we can start graphing it. Where's our first point
Is,
to graph?
I like
2.5.
2.5. So,
Did you get
okay, now
this one
let's
right
zoom
here?
in on that. 2.5. Oh, man.
Yeah, it'd be
Seriously?
basically kind of 0.
Híjole.
Mhm.
Wait, are you sure? Try that on your calculator again. 20 divided by 0.8. So I think 20 divided by 8 is 2.5. But this is 0.8. It's actually what?
25.
It is
Yeah,
25.
it's not
They gave me a clue because the graph wasn't
How
matching.
about we do this
Right?
on the piece of paper?
So the intercept is really what?
25.
That makes sense. Okay. So
Then you would start at 25
Yeah.
for the
now,
x.
now we can do
and for the y.
on the y. Yeah. So let's see. These look like they're by 4s.
So,
So,
it'd be about in the
20
middle between 32 and 6.
Okay, somewhere around. That's what you're saying. Somewhere around there. All right. This is estimate. And then down from there, how many?
You would
From there, we had the slope was down 5.
over 8.
Yeah, down 5 over 8. And it's also going to be estimates because these are 4s. That's fine. Down 4 and 8. So I'm going to say each one is 4. So I'm going to say like right here-ish. Right?
I did
Oh, I got it.
Look at they're by 4s though. Right?
Oh.
because
Right?
I
They're by,
did
each one of these is 4. And this is
divided by
Oh,
that,
yeah.
and
This is
then
4,
something like that, and
8,
then I got,
12,
like, 6 or
16. So I
something.
went down like 4 and a little bit,
Multiply the bottom by
and down
6 because
4 and
6
8.
times that
Please
negative
come to the
1.2.
front office.
And I can do another one.
6 times 0.2.
Please come to the front
And
office.
then
Yeah.
you just
And then you just,
Robin
yeah.
Rizzer, please
6
call
times
extension
negative 0.2 is going to
3040.
equal negative
Robin Rizzer,
1.2.
please call
which
extension
cancels that.
3040.
Does that make sense?
And then just try to draw some. Now, I was talking to Dylan about the earlier problem, and he said that he can read this in English and know which side to shade. Okay? Read this in English with, give me 3 words. Start it off.
So,
Y,
y
is
is
what's
greater than.
That's all you need to know, right? Y is greater. Where is Y greater than? On
That side.
this side or this side? This side?
That side.
This is the higher side, yep. So, but since you're buying
Did I
muffins,
mess like right here?
I was saying that it's not really a shading, it's more of what?
Graph.
Yeah, it's more
Oh,
discreet.
discrete.
Yeah, it's more, because you
She
can't,
makes over, she can make
yeah, she can't,
$200.
exactly, she can't actually
So
make
it'd
2.5 muffins. I mean, she
be
could actually,
anywhere.
It's fine.
but there'd be little muffins and they wouldn't be the same price, they'd probably be half the price. So I know this takes a while, but it's actually a kind of cool idea to understand that in word problems, you wouldn't really want to shade it because you can't buy, and so on and so forth, right?
Yeah.
All right, that's it, guys. Good luck. And first, we're gonna get you guys busy by doing this. Let's see what it.
So let's play it.
Let's
back.
spin
You
these
plug
guys
it
around.
into This one?
Yeah, auto rotation. Look at this. We'll spin that one and that one. Oh, that one too. Isn't that weird? You can spin them all around. All right. You look into my eyes. You're feeling very sleepy. Whoa. Oh, darn it, lost it.